If you're in parts distribution, you know this story. A buyer calls, asks for a replacement. Your rep pulls up the cross-reference binder, checks pricing in one system, checks stock in another, and calls back 15 minutes later. On a good day. And what I just described is not a rare thing. It happens dozens of times a day across every industrial distributor and parts operation out there. The search is slow, it's manual, and it's really easy to get wrong. A wrong part means a return, it means another service visit, it means the customer is waiting even longer. And honestly, a lot of the time the buyer just gives up and the order never happens. So, what is the answer here? Salesforce built something called Agentforce. And the simplest way I can explain it is this. Think of it as a smart assistant you can put right inside your storefront or your service desk. But here is the thing. It is not a chatbot that just talks. It actually takes action on your real business data. It looks things up, it compares options, it builds the order, it does the work. Royal Cyber is a Salesforce Summit partner. We build the manufacturing agent for the people who actually live in part numbers every day. You ask it for a replacement and it asks you the right questions back. Then it comes back with real matches from your live catalog, lets you compare them side by side, adds the right one to the cart, and takes the order. And if something fails in the field later, it opens a detailed support case right there in the same conversation. And we've done this before. Rockwest Composites went from kickoff to live Agentforce agents in 5 weeks, while other partners were still in their discovery phase. That is who we are. No more filtering a catalog by hand. No more guessing. A buyer has a conversation, the agent does the work, and you get faster answers, fewer wrong parts, and a customer who actually completes the order. That's the manufacturing agent. And in our next video, we're going to put it to work live, step by step. So, you can see exactly how the whole thing plays out. Stay tuned for the demo.